Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the app you want to use to share live location, then pick the person or group to receive it. Enable location and background location permissions so updates continue when the app isn't foregrounded. This is crucial for accuracy. Tap Share Location or Live Location, choose how long to share. Options often include 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, and confirm. Once done, you'll see a map preview and an active sharing indicator. That means others can now track your real-time position. Once sharing is active, make sure accuracy is set to high so GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular triangulation work together. This reduces drift. Adjust who can see you and use temporary sharing instead of permanent to protect privacy. If supported, set geofence alerts so contacts are notified when you arrive or leave a location. Also monitor battery and data impact. To conserve power, set background refresh limits or lower accuracy when you don't need pinpoint precision. But remember, lower accuracy means bigger location jumps. To finish, stop sharing from the same menu where you started. Make sure the recipient's map shows that sharing stopped. If your location appears incorrect, toggle location off and on, restart the app, or reboot the device to refresh GPS locks. If problems persist, check app permissions, disable battery saver or high privacy VPNs that block location, and ensure network connectivity. One key troubleshooting tip: allow a clear view of the sky for a few minutes so GPS can recalibrate. This often resolves large position errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.